Hello everyone. We're at the Hamilton High School and we're at the Red, White and Blueberry Festival. Now we're watching the classic cars. Look at that nice classic car. Got nice ones here. Look at how beautiful it is. All red. Like my lady red color. Look at that.
There's baby wipes.
Look at this. Yes, baby. I'll be right there. I'm just taking videos of the cars real quick. I'll be right there. And my babies. Wow, take a picture. You're taking a picture? Take a picture of us, Daddy? Or no? Brother, Papa's gonna take a picture of us. Thank you. I'm gonna video the cars real quick, okay? I'll be right there. Huh?
I said I missed my scooter break on that.
It's okay. We're gonna have more. Look how nice it is, babies. These are the classic cars. It's the collector cars. Classic cars. Look at that. Look at this baby. Look at this beautiful Corvette. Look at that. Again, we're in Hamilton High School. See? Hamilton. The Corvette. There's more there. Super nice.
Right here's the bus.
Careful, baby. Gonna be on this other side, quick. Look at this. Another Corvette, a red Corvette. A hot, it's okay. You're fine. A hot red Corvette. Super beautiful. It's a collector car. Ooh, look at that baby.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Yes. No, it's okay. Papa's looking. We can look. Just don't touch it. Just look, okay? We can look. We are allowed to look. But don't touch, okay? No touching. Yeah, look at all those.
Mama,
Yes?
no touching the car there.
Yeah, no touching the cars. Just look. We are free to look, but not to touch, okay?
Just look at the car.
Yeah, we just have to look at the display.
Just look at this display car.
Yes.
But don't touch.
No, no touching.
No
Just look.
touching the
Look how
car.
beautiful this one.
No touching the car.
Yes. See, it says, please do not touch. You see it? Please do not touch. See?
The
See?
sign says please do not touch.
Yeah, please do not touch. Just
take a look.
just take a look. But do not touch. Look at the rim.
And look, just take a look.
Yeah, just take a look, but not touching. Oh, yes.
Like this, the way it smells inside.
Super beautiful. We can look for more, baby. Don't worry. We're gonna be here. All we have is time. We can be here the whole day if we like. Yeah, he's not touching Kian. He's not touching it at all. Classic cars. Big brother, what that sound is about? Kian, don't boss him around. He's your big brother. Let him be. Let him walk freely. Right, baby? We can be looking at the sales today, okay? Whatever they're selling today, we'll see. But we have to look at the classic cars first. Oh, there's so many red cars here. Oh my goodness. I super love these cars.
Where you live now?
Look how beautiful it is. Come on, baby Kian. Come here, baby. This way, my love. So this one? Super nice. Clean.
There's the back seat.
Yeah, super clean. Look how clean this baby is. It's a historic car. Come on here, baby. Super sharp. Super beautiful. Super sharp. That's 1970. Super beautiful. Wow. My baby Kian, my baby Kenyatta and daddy and me. And we're at the Hamilton High School and we're here at the Red, White and Blueberry Festival. We're just having the we're just viewing the classic cars for the moment. Yes. Yes. We're going straight, baby. There's a lot of cars still there, but that's okay. Can just be here, yes? We can walk around still after here, you know.
There's classic cars.
Yeah, there's classic cars. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Classic cars is over there.
Yes. This started at 10 a.m. here. We just arrived, so some of the cars already left. Some of the classic cars. Yeah, we're still catching a lot still. You want your hat? Give them their hats. No, you need your hat so you can have the visor. I don't want your heads we got. There you go, perfect. So you can have at least visors. Look at my handsome babies, my baby Kenyatta, my baby Kian, and my dear beloved husband. There you go, and here I am. Yes. Nice babies. Remember, just we're free to see but not to touch. Look how clean it is inside. Yeah, super sharp. Yeah, how clean it is. Huh? Sure. Huh? Oh yeah. Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
The classic cars is leaving.
Yes. Big brother, come on, my love.
The
Yes.
classic cars is leaving.
Yes.
You classic cars is leaving.
Yes.
Turning
Ah.
left. Classic cars turning left.
Wow.
Classic cars turning There.
Well, thank you.
Oh.
You say you were sitting and watch the oil?
Watch the oil.
What's the oil? What's the oil?
Come this way.
Come this way, baby.
Oh, man.
Have a picture, baby?
This way.
Have a picture.
And you're going to let you sit in the car and take a picture. Be careful.
Be careful though, be careful. Be careful. Be very careful. There we go. You can hold here like that. Like that. No, wait, no, please don't touch, don't step on the oil. We're lucky that he's letting us have the picture. See, you're driving. Baby, like you're driving. Don't be tense. There you go. Wow. Okay, it's Big Brother's turn. Just be careful, just be careful. Be careful. Be very careful. Yeah, just sit. Don't touch nothing else. You can put your foot. No, don't put your foot nothing there. Don't. Just like that. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Say cheese. Nice. Can I be too? Can I be there too? Yeah, thank you.
I got to
You
keep
can?
them
Yeah.
close to me. Make sure
Be
they
careful.
don't stay next to Keon.
Can I be there too?
Oh, yeah. That's okay.
So retired. He goes all across the country. Trailer in the car.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it so much. Say thank you. Say thank you, mister. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. Yay. I drove. No, I not really drove. I'm in the classic car. At least I am the voice. We're the classic car. Oh, I just love the red cars. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful red car.
Good luck.
Look at this. This Gordon Payton.
Make it look good anyway.
Super nice. Yeah. Oh, look at this baby. Yes.
Mama,
Yes.
the plastic car will build outside and inside.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes,
Mama,
baby.
that plastic car will build outside and inside.
Yeah. Look at the Corvette, the red Corvette, babies. Red Corvette. Just always remember, we're free to see, we're free to look, but not to touch, okay? Just look at this beautiful baby. Woo-wee. The classic cars are leaving now, some of them.
Come on.
See? Yeah, they're leaving. Some of them. Oh, look at this beautiful baby. Come on, my love. We'll be this way. Then we're gonna be on the other side of the festival after the classic cars. Nice. Ah, purple car for Manang Almera. Manang, this your purple car. Manang Almera. Nice. Nice purple car for Manang Almera. Red. Red always catches my eyes. I have not seen any pink one yet. How sharp the baby is. Hello, Hudson.
Hello.
This one?
Studebaker. No, I missed it.
Oh yeah, that's the baker, yeah. Hatching. Cadillac. Careful, baby.
Here, so he's trying to leave.
Truck is coming. We'll be this way. Get out of the road, baby. Get out of the driveway. Kayatan, Kian, come this way. Thank you. Perfect. Guys, leaving now. Look at that one, baby, like the Chitty Bang Bang. Ay, Kenyatta, come this way, my love. Look like the Chitty Bang Bang. You see that? 1927 runabout.
You're looking at truck.
Hello. Is this yours?
No, I have a truck. Perfect.
Super beautiful. How beautiful this baby is. Like in the Chitty Bang Bang movie. Like in the Chitty Bang Bang, right? How beautiful this is. There's a lot of nice classic cars here. Super beautiful, right? Like in the Chitty Bang Bang. Yeah, super beautiful. Ah, look, there's a roaster there. Look, there's a
They're not walking.
no, it's just the
It's the toys.
yeah, come on.
There's the toys.
Yeah, we're in the, we'll be in the other section. Are you having fun, boys? There's a lot of cars here, though.
Long time.
We can cut through here. Super clean. Hi, babies. Look at this one. It's for the Yep. This is Iverdale Fire District P482. Hi, baby Kian. Look at me. Baby Kian. Hi. Hi, baby Kenyatta. Hello, daddy. Hello, me. Come this way, baby. This way, my babies. Come on. So we can be going to the other parts after the cars. After the classic cars. There's lots of classic cars here. This way, baby. Kenyatta, this way.
Look at the buggy.
This nice rim. Ooh. Come on, babies. Porsche. Look at this Porsche. Another red car. And my baby Kinyata, my handsome baby, my first baby, and my handsome baby Kian, my little baby. So we're done. Are we done here? Gonna go to the other part, or do we still have to go to this way? We can go here still. No, what I mean here, then we're gonna go down after. There's still more cars here. Look at this red juicy car. Super clean. Sorry. No, you're fine. How beautiful this is. It's 1956. Look at the inside. Oh wow, super beautiful. Look at that, all red. How beautiful that one is. Look, baby Kinyata, the seats are red. Super clean. See? Yeah, you can touch. Kian, let big brother, you can be here, baby. We can look. Just not touching it. Just look. Big brother's not touching it. Don't boss him. Look how beautiful this baby is. Look at the rim. Super clean inside. Look at that baby. There's a clock there. Where? Yeah, very clean. Look at that. Super clean. Again, this is 1956. Baby from a distance. Have to be with a baby. Yeah. Sure. Come on, let's go back this way, baby. It's pretty much the end of the classic cars. Like I said, they started here at 10 a.m. and we arrived just now. So, huh? Show and go garage.
Show and go garage.
Tuesday 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Cruising 92.1 WVLT. Your car cruise and show information source. Like I don't know how to read no more. 1948 Chevy pickup. I'm just admiring this because I don't have none of this. Yes? That's just for the cars. The red baby there. Another red baby. This is 1954. how beautiful the inside is. Yeah, white one. Red and white. How clean this baby is. When it's red, it really catches my heart, my eyes. Let's be there. Ready? That's pretty much it. Right? Come on, big brother. 1931 Chevy. Nice red car too.
You can drive this.
Yeah. Look, there's a blueberry here. Fresh blueberry. They're ready to be planted.
Those are the ones how it looks we will be buying then.
Yeah, that's the one we will be buying. Yep, that's ready to be planted. Come on, babies. We'll try to buy blueberry ones too today. Look at a beautiful car, baby. Look at a beautiful Corvette. The Corvette. They're all beautiful anyway, but once it's red. Huh? What is it, my love? This way? Okay, go ahead. Look how beautiful this one is. Yes. Hello. Careful, be careful, be careful, be careful, you won't touch. I know. Just make sure. Look at me so you can be in the picture. There you go. Perfect.
There's the level.
Yes. Beautiful. Come on now, baby. My love, come on. Beautiful car. Have a nice one. Orange car. It's unique. Orange car with your orange shirts, boys. Wanna have a picture there? Stand on this side. There you go. Here, baby Kian. Big brother. No, not so close. There you go. Just forward. That's it. Take a picture. That's fine. That's fine. Kenyatta, this way, my love. There you go. Perfect. Come on. We're done with the cars now. Go to the other part now. Yeah, there's an ice cream truck there. Another red car. It's a Hyundai. Oh no, it's Saturn. I made a mistake. It's a Saturn. In fact, this is the first car that we have. Not this kind, but the model. I mean the model Saturn. First car that we have together, me and my husband. Then we had the white Mercedes-Benz after, then the gray Mercedes-Benz. But like I said, Saturn was our first car. It was a dark blue Saturn. Hey. Yes? Yeah, we'll go this way. We'll go this way. So we can have the other cars. Come on, my love, big brother. Come on, baby.
So she's now high fat. But everybody donated a piece of their power.
Yeah, later. We'll have the ice cream later.
later.
Definitely. We'll have to be looking at the other stuff first.
It's not going anywhere.
The ice cream will stay here, okay?
Ice cream is staying there.
Yeah, that's not gonna leave yet. It's gonna be here forever.
Ice cream truck will leave at 9 p.m.
9, maybe 8. We'll see.
Ice cream truck will leave at 8.
Yes.
Ice cream truck will
A
leave.
beautiful baby. Ooh.
Ice cream truck will leave in 30 minutes after.
Yeah. If you notice, guys, we're no longer wearing masks here. Okay, we're here. We're here normal now. No masks at all. No social distancing. Nothing. This way, my love. Huh?
Here,
No, we'll be there. We'll be in the walkway. Okay, we won't cut in the grass. Lots of nice, beautiful antique cars, which I wish I can have at least one. In my dreams. This is not a classic, but it's a new one. Chevy Camaro. It's a collector. It's clean, beautiful, red. Reminded me of Leather Red's seats, the inside of Leather Red. Ready?
Come towards the front. Where you are.
Okay. Gonna be in the different parts, and there's sound. So gonna have a picture of my family first.
Mama.
Here,
Mama.
there you go. I'm just gonna screenshot. Yes, baby. Yes, I'm gonna screenshot this anyway. Perfect. That's my beautiful family there. Okay then, this is Ana Fe de la Rama. And please don't forget, yes, and please don't forget to view my videos, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. This is Ana Fe de la Rama. And just please keep showing your love and support. Until then.